How to screen share on TikTok live stream. So if you want to screen share on your TikTok live stream, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok app, you need to log into your account and then tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom. After that, go with the live section. Once you're under the live section, you'll find mobile gaming option. If you find your mobile gaming, you'll be able to share your screen. So find mobile gaming, set up your screen position, choose the portrait button, and you can change to landscape if you want to. After that, tap on settings. You're able to mute people, enable moderator, and make a live intro. Next, go to the video quality and set the quality of your video depending on your internet connection. Then tap on go live button and a pop-up message will tell you where you share the screen from. You can choose TikTok and another pop-up message will appear and ask about the allowance of the comment notification, and then finally you're going to share your screen. That's how you can share your screen on TikTok live stream, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.